Man, I don't know what to do, man. Yesterday, I came and I did the video for the battery. I went to the dealer in Cherry Hill and bought the battery brand new. I paid $205. And I came and I bought it. I put it on the truck. I turned the truck on because I got the video. I turned the truck on. And then after I turned the truck on, I went to go close my back trunk. I realized the trunk didn't want to close by the button, so I came and turned the truck off. I turned the truck off, and now this is what it's doing. See, you turn the ignition and nothing. See, it don't do nothing. But I came and I put the positive and the negative on the starter, and the starter, it acts like it want to turn on, but it don't turn on. And I don't know what else to do. What can it be? See, I got the brand new battery, brand new from the dealer, original battery, but the car won't start. It will not start. I don't know why. I came and I took. I don't even know. I came and I put the wire on the starter and it triggered, but it don't want to start. I don't know why.
Think you need a new starter?
I don't know. I came and I bought the starter. I got it there, but they say if I put that starter on and it's not the starter, I can't get my money back, and I paid $360 for it.
Hell no.
Yeah, so I'm like, I want to get it checked first before. All I did just took the positive and the negative out. I put it to the side. I put the new battery on. It turned on. I turned the truck off, and now I don't want to turn back on. Even though the alternator wire was loose, but I tightened it up. But if it got a good battery, it will turn on. It will turn the car on.
But so it ain't never start acting like that till you switch the wire?